Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making some Ooey Gooey bars. I have a box of cake mix. You can use any kind. I have the vanilla. I have cream sugar, not sour cream. What is this? Cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature. I have 3 eggs. Make sure it's room temperature. It's medium. White chocolate pudding mix with sugar free. You're gonna need 1 stick of butter. I actually brown mine. I love brown butter. If I don't brown it, it's pretty much because the thing that I'm making, it's not really a dark dessert that calls for, or either I'm too lazy just to brown it. But yeah, in this case, I have time. I'm gonna be using some confectioner sugar, aka powdered sugar. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. We're gonna get started. Now what I did last time that was actually wrong, I put the ingredients on the back of the box. You're not supposed to do that. And I was like, oh, that's what the issue was. However, I ain't gonna lie to you, that was real good. If you seen it, you know. If you didn't see it, please. This conversation ain't for you. As if you didn't see it, you know. Ooh, so it's so good with this butter on this cake mix. Oh my goodness. Crap, 1 medium egg. I'm just going to take this now and mix it up. Alright, so this is what I'm going to put it in. I'm not going to use the parchment paper. However, grease it and flour it. So this is what you see right here. So I'm just going to take my mixture, pour it all in here. Use your hand and just pat it in there. It's packed it good enough. Okay, I have another pan. I'm gonna put my room temperature cream cheese, all of it. You too. No cream cheese left behind. And this is like 1.5 teaspoons of the white chocolate powder. The 2 room temperature eggs as well. And I'm gonna take my mixer and go ahead and blend this up together. Okay, I just want to do it till it's creamy. Now I'm adding my powdered sugar, 3.5 cups. I'm not gonna measure it. 3.5 cups it is. Now, even though the base is used with salted butter, this is like all sugary. So I'm just gonna put like a pinch of salt. Just go ahead and finish blending this up. Okay, this don't want to come off. Come on off. This thing must got detachment issues. For real, cause get off of here. You holding on. They're trying to let you go, so hey, let go. We can do this the easy way in the hallway. That's so good though. I'm sure I'm finna lick this. You got it? Okay, and I've been doing this since I was a little kid. It ain't nothing happen. As long as you don't eat it all the time, you okay. Good. This is good. Try to scrape this down, make sure everything's incorporated. Okay, I'm bringing this back into the mix. Alright, so now I'm putting my filling on top of it. Gotta get all of that. Alright, so we're gonna take this spatula and spread it evenly. Have it on the oven on 350, and I'm gonna keep that for about 40 minutes, but I'll let you know how long it cooked for. Okay, this is how it look, y'all, after about 40 minutes on 350. It looks so good, y'all, but of course you gotta let it cool down. A lot of recipes I see that say let it cool down. Okay, how long? It don't tell you how long at all. I'm gonna give it about an hour, but I'll let y'all know. Lord's will. Okay, it's been just a little bit over an hour. Now it said let it cool down all the way. Now I did feel it like just a little bit. It's still a little warm. Some people like it cold. Some people like it warm. I'm gonna taste it a little bit while it's still warm. You see, I do want like that gooey. I feel like you still can get it with it cold, but still. Y'all got that? Is you getting this? Is you getting this? Yes. I am so happy. I am so happy. Tell me what I was looking like I did say. I did the right thing. We're going to taste it and see. Well, I'm going to taste it and see. But if y'all make it, y'all taste it and see too. There I go. Oh, I'm trying to get, I want to get the biggest piece, but I ain't going to do it. So everybody, this looks so good. It smells like the sweet smell when you know when you boil it and it turns to like that caramel. That's what it's giving. It smells good though. It's so good. It's good. Good thing I took this out when I did, because I know recipes call for like 45 minutes. I canceled. Let me just check 40. I seen some people do 40. Yeah, if I would have kept it a little longer, yeah. It's good though. I'm not sure if I'm getting white chocolate flavor. However, like I told you, that sweet, got that sweetness milk. It's like a brownie or what's it called, brookie, or a brownie that's not chocolate but just vanilla made with sweetness milk that's been boiled to a turn to caramel sauce. This is good though. And you do taste the ooey gooey part. This is good though. I like this. I would definitely say this is a success. I was at Walmart and I saw these. I'm like, ooh, let me get ooey gooey bars. I see ooey gooey bars, so let me get it. So when I was eating it, it was ooey gooey, but I'm like, I never tasted the original kind before. And I was like, okay, this is good, but I can tell this filling is vanilla based. Like, you know how vanilla pudding tastes? That's exactly how it tastes. I'm like, they must got vanilla pudding in the middle of this. I wonder if this is how you make it. So I was looking up different recipes. I'm like, cream cheese? And you know, cream cheese can't be in this because I'm not tasting cream cheese and I know how cream cheese tastes. So I looked at the ingredients on the box I got that I was eating from Walmart. It was pudding, the vanilla pudding. My taste buds don't deceive me. I know what I was tasting. And I did see a couple of people like reviews said, I guess they changed recipe at like different stores, and now they use the vanilla. They should have stuck with the cream cheese. So I was like, I'm gonna put some cream cheese when I made mine. But since I had that packet of, I thought it was vanilla mix, I was still gonna use some of that. But since it's white chocolate, I was like, just go ahead and use that up. Like I said, I'm not really tasting the white chocolate, or maybe that's bringing that pronounced flavor out. Cause I am just like a vanilla blondie type of situation, like a little bit of caramel taste, brulee or caramel taste. This is good though. You already know what it is, y'all. I gave a hint. It's after 9 and before 11. All day, baby. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Y'all, let's stay.